And Mr. Lindo for being present in my office. Myself, S.C. Ramchiary, Principal JNV Niangbari. Actually, today one very auspicious occasion is going to be happen in India. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, is going to address the board class appearing students, particularly the 10th and 12th students, for removing their exam phobia and stresses for appearing the exam. This is the 5th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha 2022, and on this occasion we are also arranging in our Vidyalaya, as per the guidelines given by the Navodaya Vidyalaya Committee. Our students will also have a live program which is telecast throughout the country in TV, Doordarshan, and even in many social medias also. And I hope that all of you will also enjoy this program along with our students.
A picture is seen as a poem without words.
In particular, as society in general, and the for mankind have been said.
Yang ketiga, kerja pertama ini, mereka yang dibutuhkan.
Remains active despite all the dangers of the pandemic.
Di tengah kesesakan dulu kalau itu ya ubah. Kemudian apa terjadi?
Without words. On behalf of the fine works we see of the students, sharing the Prime Minister origami page Kumar Patel from